Hi, I'm Haylee, and yesterday Samantha interviewed students on what their favorite dessert was. Majority of students said cookies, so today I'll be teaching you how to make chocolate chip cookies. First, in a bowl, you're going to combine 2.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt.
First, I will be adding 2.5 cups of flour into a bowl.
Okay, then you add 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt.
Mix together 2 sticks of salted butter, 3/4 cup of white sugar, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Now you're gonna mix in 2 eggs, but one at a time, meaning you're going to put one in, mix it, and then once that's done, you're gonna put another one in.
Do not overmix it, it's no bueno. Now slowly add the dry mix into the bowl a little bit at a time.
Now we're gonna add the best part, the chocolate chips.
Be sure to fold in the chocolate chips using a rubber spatula.
Now on a large baking sheet that is greased, you are going to use either 2 tablespoons of cookie dough or a small ice cream scoop and place them 2 inches away from each other.
Once you have placed the cookies on the baking sheet, bake the cookies at 375 degrees for 7 to 9 minutes. These are how my cookies turned out.